you see around you? Clock, fan, then blackboard. Okay, very good. So these are all the objects, non-living things. Do anyone have notebook in your hand? No. Okay. See this place. This place is now empty, right? Now I am going to place the notebook on the table. The place was occupied by the book. Before placing the book, the place was empty. Did you notice that? Okay. After placing it, the place was filled by the book. So anything that occupies the space and has walls is known as what? Matter. Very good. So in today's class, we are going to learn about matter around us. What is the topic of the lesson? First, states of matter. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gases. What are the three states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gases. There is also another state of matter is present in our universe. That is nothing but plasma. Okay, this is the model for states of matter. First, solid. In solid, molecules are closely packed. Example, can anyone stand up and read from first year? Read the examples. Apple, tree, pencil. Very good. Then next, liquid. In liquid, molecules are loosely packed when compared to solid state. Example, oil, milk, blend. So these are the example for liquid. The third state is gas. In gas, molecules are far apart when compared to solid and liquid state. Example, first row last one, everyone read. Carbon dioxide and then helium gas. Very good. What's her name? What? Deepika. All of you clap for her. Very good. Okay. The fourth state of matter, plasma. Plasma in gas, when energy and heat is applied, it is known as plasma. It is the combination of positively charged particles, that is ion, and negatively charged particles, that is electron. Example for plasma are thunder, lightning, and aurora. Aurora, which is nothing but the early morning stage. When we can notice it, when we wake up at early morning, we can see the sky, right? So it seems to be reddish yellow color, right? So that is said to be aurora. What are the examples which is given in the board for plasma? Are you able to see this? First one, get up and read. Give one example for plasma. Thunder, very good. All of you clap for her. Then we move on to the next one, classification of matter. Matter can be further divided into two types. One is pure substance, another one is impure substance. What are the two types? Pure substance and impure substance. Very good. One is pure substance. Repeat after me. Pure substance.
Pure substance.
Then impure substance.
Impure substance.
Under the pure substance, we have two types. First one is element, and the second substance, it cannot be broken into a single one. It is made up of only one kind of atom. Example, oxygen, hydrogen, lithium, boron, like that. Can you say an example for element? Second row, the last one. Oxygen, very good. What's your name? Madhumita. Clap for her. So, oxygen. She said oxygen. This is an example for element. Then the second type, compound. Compound is a group of two or more different kind of atoms together. Example, carbon dioxide, hydrogen oxide, lithium, like that. Monica, can you say an example for compound? Water molecule, H2O. So H2O is an example for compound. Sit up. Okay, clap for her. So in compound, two or more group of atoms combined together. Shall we see the difference between element and compound? Okay. Anyone come here? From first year. Okay. Appreciate her. Take the difference between element and compound. Element made up of only one kind of atom.
Element made up of only one kind of atom. Compound made up of more than one kind of atom. Next one. The smallest particle that retains all its properties is an atom. The smallest particle that retains all its properties is the molecule. Cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Can be broken down into elements by chemical methods.
Very good. Clap for her. So, element cannot be broken down and it is made up of only one kind of atom. So, this is an example for element and compound. Element, we have O2, which is nothing but oxygen. In O2, we have two oxygens. Then O3, which is nothing but ozone. In O3, we have three same kind of oxygen. Then compound. CO2. Carbon dioxide. Very good. Carbon dioxide. CO2, we have two different kind of atoms. What is that? Carbon and oxygen. Very good. Then H2O. Water. In H2O, we have different kind of two atoms. What is that? Hydrogen and oxygen. Nice. So this is the example for element and compound. The next type, impure substance. Impure substance is also known as mixture. Mixture is an impure substance. It contains two or more different kind of element or compound together physically in any ratio. Example, lime water. Lime plus water, we get lime water, right? So add a mixture of gases, some other gases. Example, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. So these are the gases present in our atmosphere. So add is a great example for mixture. Under the mixture, we have two types. The first one, homogeneous mixture. And the second one, heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. It is a completely soluble mixture or uniform composition. Example, water plus sugar. Give another example for it. Water plus salt. Very good. Then water plus alcohol. So this is the example for homogeneous example for heterogeneous mixture. Then the next topic, types of elements. Elements can be further divided into three types. First one, metal. The second one, non-metal. And the third one, metalloid. First, metal. Metal is a pure substance of metal is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances together. Example, copper, aluminium, zinc, silver, gold, etc. Can you give an example for it? Copper. Okay. Clap for Ashita. Non-metal. Non-metal, a substance which does not show the non-metallic property. It is an intermediate between metal and non-metal. It exhibits both metallic and non-metallic property. Example, neon, silicon, carbon, nitrogen, like that. Okay. Next, metalloid. It is the intermediate between metal and non-metal. Example, germanium, silicon, neon. Okay. Shall we see the example for it? So this is not the example for elements. Anita, come here. Read all those examples. First, metal. Copper, chromium,
Mercury.
mercury.
Metalloids, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic. Non-metals, carbon, oxygen, neon, fluorine.
So this is the example for elements. Are you all able to understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next one. Types of mixture. Mixture can be divided into two types. We already knew it. What are the two types? Homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. In homogeneous mixture, we have two types. First one is true solution. Then the second one is alloy. First, true solution. Second one, alloy. True solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances together. Example, water plus salt or water plus sugar. So this is an example for true solution. Shall we do activity for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So consider this one as a white string. Are you all able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Beaker.
Beaker. For this, I need a volunteer. Swati, very good. All of you clap for Swati. Come. What is this? Beaker. So now Swati is going to pour water into the beaker. What she is doing?
Pouring
Pouring water into the beaker. Then she is going to mix some solute into the water. This is salt. This is an example for true solution because it is a homogeneous mixture. What is this? into the solution. So this is the solved solution. If the light will allow this solution will allow the light into the screen means it is said to be true solution. Can you see it? Now she is going to hit up the light on the solution. Is the light on the light or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the light is completely scattered on the screen. This is an example for true solution. Very good. Clap for her. Then next, alloy. Alloy is a metal made up of two or more kind of metal together. We all wear ornaments, right? We all wear gold ornaments. What are the ornaments we can wear?
Silver,
Silver,
gold,
What are the gold ornaments we wear?
chain,
Chain,
bracelet,
bracelet, earrings like that. So, bangles. Okay, very good. So, it is all made up of alloy, which is the combination of copper and gold. Then, second type, heterogeneous mixture. In heterogeneous mixture, we have two types. First one is suspension. Then the second one is colloid. Suspension. It is a homogeneous. It is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances together. Now, again I am taking the gas or beaker. I am going to do an activity. Anyone come from the first year? Very good. What's the name? Okay, appreciate her. Now she is going to pour water into the beaker. What she is doing?
pouring water in
Pouring water. Very good. Then heterogeneous mixture. This is nothing but a chalk powder. She is going to add some more chalk powder into the solution by using the spatula. What she is doing? Okay, mixing the chalk powder. If the light will completely allow the light means it is said to be true solution. If it does not allow means it is said to be suspension. Now she is going to hit the light. So it doesn't allow to scatter. So this is said to be an example for suspension. Very good. Clap for her. This is the last type, colloid. Colloid is a microscopically dispersed solution. Ajita, come here. Once again, she is going to pour water on the beaker. So it is a microscopically dispersed solution. That's why she is going to add somewhat a few drops of ink into the water. Okay. What she is doing? Okay, adding ink into the beaker. Set it. Is it dissolved or not? Okay. Now she is going to hit light on the solution. The light will somewhat partially allow to scatter. Means it is said to be colloid. Is it scattered?
partially scattered.
Partially scattered. So this is an example for colloid. Very good. Clap for Anita. So are you all clear about this concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we'll move on to the next one, sublimation. Sublimation. A solid state, when heated, directly changes its state into a gaseous one without attaining the liquid state means it is said to be sublimation. When it cools back, give back its original state. This process is known as sublimation process. Example, iodine, naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride and camphor. Okay. Camphor here, notice in our code. Camphor is in what state? Solid state. When we got it means, it will change its state into a gaseous one without attaining the liquid state. So this is an example called sublimation process. Can anyone come and tell me? So, this diagram represents the sublimation process. These are the components which we require to do the process. Anyone get up and read? First here, last row. The last one from here. Come here. Just take it.
Sublimation, cotton plug, inverted funnel, solidified ammonium chloride, vapors of ammonium chloride, china dish, ammonium chloride, salt and sand, burner.
Okay. Clap for her. What's your name? Okay, very good. So, these are the components required to do the sublimation process. That's all for today. What we have learned today? States of matter, then classification of matter, then the types of elements, types of mixtures and combination. By coming tomorrow,